In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize blog posts in Wix for SEO. First, use keywords in title. Keep it short and relevant. Second, edit URL slug. Make it clean and keyword-based. Next, add meta description. Include keywords max 160 characters. Now, use headings H1, H2, H3. Structure content clearly. Now, add internal or external links. Link to other posts or sources. Next, optimize images, rename files, and add alt text. Next, enable AMP. Turn it on in blog settings for mobile speed. Also, use tags and categories. Help organize content. 9. Submit to Google. Connect to Google via Wix SEO tools. And lastly, write quality content. Be clear, helpful, and keyword friendly. And that's it. That's how to optimize blog posts in Wix for SEO.